Our topic today is love. Happy Valentine Day, everyone. Fall in love. Fall in love. Adore you. Adore you. Flirt. Flirt. Lovesick. Lovesick. So in love with you. So in love with you. A date. A date. Blind date. Blind date. Hold hands. Hold hands. Live together. Live together. Split up. Split up. Break up. Break up. Crazy about you. Crazy about you. Madly in love. Madly in love. Great together. Great together. Love you forever. Love you forever. My sweetheart. My sweetheart. Love you the most. Love you the most. My true love. My true love. My one and only. My one and only. The love of my life. The love of my life. Can't live without you. Can't live without you. Love you with all my heart. Love you with all my heart.